Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday to you. Bitcoin is pulling back, so we're seeing a bit of a correction from a lot of altcoins. ICP, however, took off prior to that. Obviously, it's correcting itself here, but we're going to have to see if this $12.50 range is going to be holding strong. That was a strong resistance level for us recently. We got to presume it's going to be a strong support level for us. We just got to kind of let things stabilize again. Bitcoin making a run towards 70,000. That's the reason why we're seeing this. Quick congrats to our community, though, of course, for some nice profits here. Well, this is my day trading group, Matic, Cardano, and BNB shorts. But for our longs, we got injected 58%. There you go. ICP good 21% in 2 days. And of course, DYDX 32% in 2 trading days. So it's been a really nice situation for our trading community. So thanks again for the wonderful feedback. Glad it's all working well for you. Let's look at the liquidation levels here and just see if there's any potential for the price pulling back any further. I'm venturing to guess, though, that most recent liquidation levels got swept, which they definitely did, because we talked about this yesterday. If you look at the last 7 days of liquidation, we can see here that level at about $13.15 was just touched there. Okay, so I'm wrong, actually. It didn't get fully swept. It pushed all the way up there to that level. In fact, the 1270 mark did get swept. We just got a lot of late shorts here at $13.15. That's probably what that is. You got a heavy concentration on the right side there. Either way you look at it, best way to describe it is that 1325 is that new area of liquidation, 1320, to the upside, and there's a heavy concentration at 1170. So there is a possibility this lower level at 1170 could get hit. And just throwing it out there, it's there. Doesn't mean it's a guarantee. It just implies that that's somewhat of a support range because a lot of people feel comfortable taking a long at that level, right? So again, 1170 is all the way down here. I think it's a low probability it's going to happen because we've broken above that key level resistance and we are no longer descending in this trend. So if you see this little dotted line, that was the anticipation of the price continued any lower. It could reject off of that descending trend line. Now that we've performed a breakthrough, there's a possibility the price could come down to bounce off that level, that descending trend line, right? A bullish backtest, but it's less likely. Okay. Again, I think we got to give this 1250 mark a chance to hold. We're going to see what that looks like here. Again, Bitcoin is being a bit of a pain. This tends to happen. Look at coins like this. It's that natural knee-jerk reaction. But this right here is awesome. Okay, and that leads me to believe that we have some sustainability in the 1250 range. So let's look at the daily time frame and work our way down. Just quickly to note a few things here. Not much has changed since yesterday. We're still over the 200 SMA, but we've broken tentatively through the 20. Getting above that 20 SMA is awesome. That'll put us over that descending trend line, and that's a great sign. Okay, so good start there to the day with a lot of volume. I think that volume could very well hold the price action in place. Pending Bitcoin doesn't go any further than 70,000. We may see $11.70 get swept from ICP if Bitcoin hits 69, 68, or 67,000. I think it's pretty likely just based on how strong Bitcoin is pulling back right now. Okay, so having said all that, is ICP looking strong here? We're above all moving averages now, so we got to give them a chance to also hold to solid amount of support in this 1210 to 1230 range. Okay? We can also see as well that we're over 50 in the RSI. Money flow index is high. Stochastic swinging up. MACD converging. These are all very strong signs. The 4-hour time frame looks pretty strong. Me personally, I think that the price is going to bounce off the 1240 to 1250 range. It's just kind of what it looks like here is happening so far. Again, as long as Bitcoin doesn't get aggressive and pull back, we should be in pretty solid shape again. All that volume has to count for something. And as you can see, there's a lot lower volume afterwards, implying that there's not a lot of money flowing away from the coin. Last thing I want to look at is each mobile cloud and confirm we're above the cloud. All green lights here on every single scenario here, letting us know it's good. You're good to keep your long position open. So to my community who's long with ICP here a couple days ago, the trade we just took, I think we can hold on for further future profits. Okay, so it's kind of what we're looking at there. Pretty good stuff there, all things considered. I apologize for the barking. We'll go ahead and let you go. Thank you again so much for your time. And one last thing too, I guess, if he's calmed down, is the simple fact that we do have a Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok now as well. So a lot of cool features there, kind of bringing that to you. Also note too, Bitunix has a phenomenal exchange that we use as a community. Great benefit rewards. Use my link to register. Consider using this before June 30th or July 1st. Good benefit rewards there just for depositing some funds. I think you're going to love using them if you haven't already. If you are using them and use my link before, you're all good. If not, just go ahead and use a different email. I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Thank you again so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.